Good morning, my dear children. Hope you all are keeping well and doing your work on time. So, dear children, yesterday we have started our Unit 2 poem I am Lucky. So, we will continue that poem today also and we will complete it today. Try to complete today, okay? So, this was the poem I am lucky, okay? And we have done yesterday till this line, so we will continue from the next line, okay? If I were an elephant, I would be thankful that I can raise my trunk. The girl is saying that if she were an elephant, then she would be thankful that she can raise her trunk. Now though she is a girl and she is not having any trunk, but if she were an elephant, then she could get chance to raise her trunk. ट्रंक मालूम है ना आपको क्या होता है? इट इज़ एलिफेंट की जो सूंड होती है उसको ट्रंक बोलते हैं, ओके? और वो ऊपर उठाता है ना अपनी ट्रंक को. तो गर्ल इज सेइंग इफ शी वर एन एलिफेंट she would be thankful that she can raise her tongue. If I were a kangaroo, I would try to hop right up to the moon. Then she said, if I were a kangaroo, if she were a kangaroo, then she would try to hop right up to the moon. वो इतना ज़ोर का हॉप करती और सीधे वो कहाँ पहुँच जाती? मून पर, ओके? She said, if she were a kangaroo, she would try to hop right up to the moon. सीधे मून के ऊपर हॉप करती, जंप करती, ठीक है? If I were an octopus, I would be thankful for my 8 arms. Then she said, if I were an octopus, अगर वो octopus होती, then she would be thankful for 8 arms. Now she is a girl, she is having 2 arms only, है ना? But if she were an octopus, she will have 8 arms, so she would be thankful for 8 arms that time. So I just think I am lucky to be me, not you but me. So she said, I am lucky to be me, not you but me. And what do you think you want to be? और वो नेक्स्ट आपसे पूछ रही है कि आप क्या सोचते हो, आप कैसा बनना चाहते हो? डू यू वॉन्ट टू बी लाइक मी? डू यू वॉन्ट टू बी लाइक मी मीन्स गर्ल. वो गर्ल पूछ रही है आपको मेरे जैसा बनना चाहते हो आप, और जस्ट यू, या फिर आप जैसे हो वैसे ही बनना चाहते हो, ठीक है? तो द पोम इज ओवर हेयर, इट इज़ completed. New words are given here. We will read new words. Butterfly, manna, fish, kangaroo, octopus. All the animals name are given in new words, okay? You already knew, these are not new for you, and I think, है ना? ये सब तो आपको पता थे पहले से ही, है ना? तो we will try to find out nouns now, ठीक है? We have already done till here, हमने यहाँ तक कल find out कर लिए थे. Now we will start from the next line. If I were an elephant, elephant is a noun. So if I would be thankful that I can raise my trunk. Now trunk is a noun, it's a name of thing. If I were a kangaroo, kangaroo is the name of animal, it's a noun. I would try to hop right up to the moon. Moon is a noun. If I were an octopus, octopus is an animal, it's a name of an animal, so it's a noun. I would be thankful for my 8 arms. Arms is a part, is a thing, so arms is also a noun. Just think I am lucky to be me, not you but me. So I think only 5 and 1 elephant also, okay? 6 noun again. Elephant, trunk, kangaroo, moon, octopus, thankful and arms. These nouns are given in the rhyme. Next part you have to try to find out the rhyming words, right? So rhyming words are a, me and me both have same sound. B and me both have same sound. Okay. Now you can match kangaroo to moon also. Oo is coming. Oo sound is coming. So you can match it also, but it is not up to the mark. So we will try to. We have taken only two nouns, two rhyming words. Be, me, me. Okay, these only. So now we will try to discuss book exercise part of this chapter. Complete these sentences. Animals are given on this side and actions are given on this side. You have to write what these animals can do. A butterfly, like first one is done for you. A butterfly can fly. A manna can sing. We have read in form now. A fish can wriggle. An elephant can raise his trunk. A kangaroo can hop. You, now here you have to write what you can do. आप क्या कर सकते हो? You can write any of your action. What you can do? Okay, right? Like you can write, you can sing, you can dance, you can write. Okay, you can jump. Whatever you want to write here, आप यहाँ लिख सकते हो. Let's talk. Now these questions are just to talk. Why do you think the butterfly likes its wings? हाँ, क्यों अच्छे लगते हैं बटरफ्लाई को अपने wings? Because she can fly with her wings. What can the मैना do? मैना क्या कर सकती है? मैना can sing. What can you do? Now you have to write your activity here कि आप क्या कर सकते हो. You have to choose from one of these and or you can write of your own activity. ठीक है, आप अपनी भी कोई लिख सकते हो, कोई भी your choice of your choice. Do you think the fish was really happy to be in the water? आपको लगता है कि fish happy रहती है water में? Here you can give your answer of your choice. What are the lucky things that have happened to you? Tell your friends in class. Here you have to tell your friends if ever a lucky things happen to you. ठीक है, कभी आपके साथ ऐसा हुआ हो, you felt happy, you felt lucky, तो आपको वो बात अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करनी है. ओके, listen, let's listen. I will sing and you will listen. Kang has a dream. Kang flew into the sky. He flew to the moon. He flew through a cloud. He slipped down a tree. Kang woke up with a bang. Right? Now next is silence game. Close your eyes and hear your teacher say the following words. आपको अपनी eyes close रखनी है and your teacher will say the following words. आपकी teacher means me, मैं. I will speak these words: butterfly, manna, fish, elephant, kangaroo. Now with your eyes still shut, imagine that you are seeing these pictures, these creatures. यानी आपको अपनी eyes को you have to keep close your eyes and you have just imagine these creatures. आपको उनकी imagine करनी है pictures कैसे दिखते हैं. You know all the animals कि वो how they looks, आपको वो imagine करना है eyes close करके. Now open your eyes and move like they do. और अब आपको अपनी eyes open करनी है और आपको वैसे मूवमेंट करनी है जैसे कि ये एनिमल्स करते हैं. लाइक बटरफ्लाई फ्लाई करती हैं तो आपको फ्लाई करना है. मैना कैन सिंग, फिश कैन स्विम, elephant can raise trunk and kangaroo can hop. So you have to do all this activity after imagination. Okay, so I think this is enough for today. We will continue tomorrow after this. Okay, so bye bye for today. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.